What? I just launched a meme coin on Solana with 1 Sol and it already gave me +1 500% with zero marketing. Snipers rushed in on their own. I didn't even expect that this method on how to launch a meme coin would still work this well. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step rug pull tutorial strictly for educational purposes. Hi friends, welcome to a new video. Today I'll show you how to create a meme coin and make money through meme coin trading. We'll use a fresh method that allows launching meme coins even without any marketing and still get organic buys from traders and bots. This method is brand new, recently emerged in the meme coin market. It's not guaranteed to work forever, but right now it's truly delivering results. We'll go through everything from how to launch a meme coin to monitoring the chart on DEX Screener. To get started, we only need one website. It allows you to launch a meme coin quickly and easily, bypassing weaker platforms like pump.fun, which are currently overloaded and inefficient. We'll go straight to the source, create the token, and immediately launch it into the meme coin trading market. I start with DEX Screener. Pick a random popular meme coin, copy its name, symbol, and image. Then I create my own token, say 1 billion coins. The amount doesn't really matter. That's the first step in how to create a meme coin. The key trick, you can change the token creator's address and replace it with a wallet that holds a large Solana balance. This creates the illusion that the token was made by a whale or a developer with deep pockets. This trick is used in the Rugpull tutorial to attract attention from snipers and traders. Analytics services clearly show who created the token. And when those services see that the token was created from a wallet with dozens or hundreds of Sol, the hype begins. That's exactly the effect we're aiming for, the core element of the how to rug pull strategy. We fake trust in the project, and it works. I add 10 Sol and 90% of the tokens to liquidity. This is optimal for meme coin trading, especially if you're aiming for good profits. Ideally, use at least 5 Sol to attract traders and bots, but you can start with less. The profit will just be smaller. Set a 2% fee and create the pool. My meme coin is now live. Now I click Launch Token, confirm the transaction, copy the token address, and paste it into DEX Screener. Instantly, I can see the first buys coming in. Sniper bots are already on it. This is a real-life example of how to launch a meme coin on Solana, fast and with minimal investment. DEX Screener shows doubled liquidity because it counts both the token and Sol. Buys are coming in just like it should. Meme coin trading comes alive before your eyes. 15 minutes have passed. Snipers are spending around $100 on each buy. If I pull the liquidity now, I can walk away with about 40 Sol. That's an excellent return for a simple meme coin. And yes, this is one way how to rug pull, but it's all being done for demonstration purposes. I click Remove Liquidity, select 100%, and take everything into my wallet. Liquidity is withdrawn. The meme coin is rugged, and now it shows clearly on DEX Screener. No need to confirm transactions on the site. The smart contract handles everything. Many meme coins on Solana still give traders profit even during a rug pull, if they enter at the right moment. That's why meme coin trading is still alive, and methods like these, risky as they are, remain popular. This method of how to launch a meme coin and earn within a couple of hours has been tested by me personally. These meme coins work. The method is alive, which means more schemes and opportunities will emerge in the world of meme coin trading.